Hello, so in this video we are going to look into surveys. Surveys are basically forms with multi-step. So if you are having a form in a website that has like 20 to 30 fields, it's really difficult for you to have them all in one page. So you'd rather have multiple steps so that they look small at a time, and you'll have just 4 or 5 questions at a time. So there will be 4 or 5 steps for you like to complete all those questions. So this is what survey is all about. To create surveys, we'll go to sites. From dashboard, I'm in a sub account, I'm in a new sub account. So let's go to survey builder, create a new survey. So first of all, what I would like to do is I would like to go to styles and turn this logo off from here. So from styles, I'll just turn off the agency branding. From options, I will go and I will just name it roof quote survey. I can integrate this survey after I create it into my website, into a funnel, whatever. I can use it directly through this link. So let's start creating our first survey. So this is the first slide we can see here. We are going to add a few fields, email, phone. So these two are required. Let's have this required too. The first slide is done. Now we're going to add a new slide that will have all the address. Let's just have, that's fine. Now let's add a new slide that will ask some roofing questions. So we don't have any roofing fields here. So for that, we definitely need a custom field. I already have created a custom field called what type of service you need. But if you want to create one, you just have to hit add custom field. If it's a radio select, you just hit radio select and then field name, enter the options and save. That's it. And from here, don't forget to select contact. As I already have one, I will just drag it over here. And what I'll do is I will have 2 more fields. One will have roof maintenance. Let's just see over here. So we have roof repair, roof replacement. So if somebody selects roof repair, I want him to describe the roof repair need. And the same thing goes for roof replacement, and the other two will come later. So let's have a custom field called MultiLine in we'll just say roof repair. Let's just hit let's bring it to slide 4 and describe from placeholder need. That's it. In slide 5, we will ask for roof replacement. So another multi-line form, roof replacement. Select contact from here, save. So we'll ask roof describe roof replacement need. That's it. So if somebody selects roof repair, I don't want him to see roof replacement options. So for that, we'll just go to this option, and in roof repair, we just select slide 4, while in roof replacement, we just select slide 5. And let's say we are not giving shingle replacement and insurance repair service right now. So what we will do is we will try another feature in survey called disqualify. So if somebody selects shingles replacement, we will just say disqualify immediately. And if somebody selects insurance repair, then we will disqualify immediately. For that, we will show a different message saying that we are not providing this service right now, If it's roof repair or replacement, we'll just ask further questions. That's it. So for that, we'll just go to options, disqualify immediately. We'll just show a message, not any URL. If you want, you can take them to a different URL, redirect after they select shingles or insurance repair. But for now, let's just say a message: sorry, we are not providing this service right now. And on submit, like if somebody selects roof repair and just fills this up, we're just gonna say thank you for taking the time and blah blah blah. Let's hit save. From here you can just copy and paste it to your website, but for now we're just gonna go directly to see the survey, how it looks. Let's just fill it with dummy data, invalid phone number, address, just say something. So if we select roof repair, it's gonna ask me about roof repair. If I ask for roof replacement, it's gonna ask me about roof replacement. But if I select like shingles, sorry, we're not providing this service right now, because it's just disqualified me because the company is not providing the services. So let's do one more try. This thing again. Okay. It's fine. If we select roof replacement, let's see. Describe roof replacement. If I describe, hi, I need urgent replacement, and hit submit, it's just gonna say thank you for taking the time to complete the survey. So this is how you work with surveys in GoHighLevel. You can do a lot more things. Like, I don't like this footer bar over here in the surveys. I'm not a big fan of it because it's really weird. If you implement it in your website, it looks really weird. You can do a bunch of stuff from styles. Just feel free to roam around and see what you can do with it. You can like maybe increase the width of it. You can just not have any corner radius. I don't like this border. It looks really weird, so I don't like it. If you want to change the background to like something else, you can do it, whatever, and hit save. So this is how we create and we use GoHighLevel surveys. See you in the next one.